iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns emphatic victory in the CAF Champions League versus Merreikh. Sundowns win the group and they go to the quarterfinals like they've done over the last 5 years. They've been losing in the quarterfinals for the past 5 years. Can they change it around this time around? Junior Khanye, our analyst, Merreikh, Mamelodi Sundowns, sir.
Yeah, and
yes, sir.
And Buddhism justice. Lengwenye tutsola ngaphakathi no Selimathunzi trucks.
Easy.
Afethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. Try to fix South African football. Credit to CAF and South African football, also Mamelodi Sundowns to take the game to FNB. The reason I'm saying this, FNB nkulu was bony shape. Whatever Sundowns, the philosophy suits them. Uba fluid. You can see Ubanongeko comfortable between the two teams. And you can tell Joby Crown Vulega will Vulega corner, shape, pressing, triangles. Asela Nkulego, Astadela, Balega goal kick, Bonil, goal kick, how your central defenders, Bavuleli how your defensive midfielder Vuleli link from Ipola the back to midfield. Midfield, if I go on, bring it back. Third man run. All I'm saying 3-4-3 as usual, or sometimes become 4-4-3-3. Sundowns or 4-2-3-1. Is system change came hamba. Laba chita laba namhlanje what they did. Libusa, Teruk. Very surprised why Teruk didn't play ahead of Sianda Kulangana team. Confident. Goalkeeper, you hardly see me goal kick man kulmangi goal kick a shy baller. He played Teruk, I link nalum chitulibusa ababi square magalphethe uTeruk ibola it drops uba ngapha kwegoal goal post yakhe kuba shoot ababi square ukuthi ibola mabaluza this guy they can score because mawul passa square liba very difficult uba nama option ayi Teruk andile tshali when he come uyavela Andile magavela when they pass they are link and it is not distance when they pass Andile namhla into bebenza maba pass Andile they push ukuthi mabaluse ibhola balwine immediately and then uGrant come in maba pass Andile Charlie shape yabuye baba like a triangle angazi triangle kushukuthi enkuleko labantu banzima kakhulu I love Andile when he got the ball. Very disappointing uGeorge striker umfana wami. I love uGeorge. It tells you, look at the goal he scored. The power behind the ball, attack ball, striker. But in terms of confidence, it's Sundown system.
Yeah.
When you play defensive midfield to Charlie, most of them shout Charlie. I say these defense splitting pass, guma strikers, lama pocket. More than you, it doesn't make sense. Udlala defensive midfield wayimela kudlula endleleni ayoma kapinda dlala ball ngoba uCharlie bekalipasa kubo kapinga. I like that false number 9 by Mastara ayukapinga no Domingo namhlanje ayi makancane inkule movement of the ball ibheka le distance 30-meter pass first touch ka Domingo omunye belo bumper kaningi. Yes uyibonile kayi1 top 7 or 2 but most first touch is here kapinga le move angeke ubone ibhola malisuzu you hardly see somebody staying there ku number 9 like amoshe yonke move always baqala move yabo bayiqala ngaphandle wide and then they come in and they check who is there akuyo kapinga no Domingos boy 2 ukami uCharlie makaphethe ibhola always kuno Domingo umvulela most it goes wide mangabe oyi1 uye central uyi1 uye wide and then the move started ku front three malifika lapha ubheka structure when they attack ama 4v2 abengakhi namhlanje 3v2 so Sundowns I love what they do. I mean bafethu let's stop being jealous. Look at the structure ngikhuluma mabalusa ibhola namhlanje into engibonile ngabe shape they lost the ball. You can see triangle now you had angeke uphume lapha kuleya triangle mabangabe mhlambe baliphethe there's is good one break bheka goal number 2 ukutshela ngayo le goal number 3 from not yeah goal number 2
Erasmus or
Ralanai
yeah
uDomingos ukuthi press kanjani ile diamond ile triangle engikhuluma ngayo they press you too high and okunzima ukuthi uphume ngoba Andile uyeza akuna gap between midfield yabo ne striker and defense na yapush so labantu bamnandi kakhulu and FNP it suits them. That's why ngithi namhlanje shape yabo could tell ukuthi badlala IP system the way they are playing. So going to the team le
Merreikh they had nothing to offer really.
The less quality.
Yeah, they had nothing to offer.
Less quality physique, but the tall but the tall strength aba basebenzisi. Quality is not enough in terms of technique. Angazi ukuthi why. I'm sorry kusho so, but I need to be honest. Going to Sundowns, the vele score the way reflecting on it should be vele bele sibe so even more. Na ngokudlala ibhola baba outclassile, it's like a training session. Like laba chita laba, Sundowns they hardly see abo Charlie ne Sundowns yonke i-team ukuthi ba run mhlambe 20 meter meter ukurana. They run from here to here. The way ba static ngakhona it's here. Movement of the ball, and I love Sundowns ama pocket. I love the way they yabo. You angeke kuze bathi ubani uphethe hamstring ukurana ukuthi bamdlale maybe ibhola le ku corner flag. They understand the strength. I think ilento ama 11v11 ama coaches ayenzayo always from iviki lonke Monday Tuesday Wednesday 11v11 ama injury angeke be khona team. Sundowns less injuries unless you kick him. The referee see. La kule team kuleko lento ama booking ekuyithola ama 3 yellow cards because of its shape mfethu, its structure, and ubheke ucover distance ikwazi strength each other, and its technique you have to ukuthi ibhola. So credit to coaches.
All right, let's wrap it up very quickly. Sundowns won the group. What do you expect to get from them? We've been together last year, Bashwa Ahly. The other year we were at Trishville before COVID-19. We were together there. Bakishwa Ahly kuma quarterfinals. It seems as though that is a limitation for them. Most of the time they get out of the quarterfinals.
Yeah, it's going to be very difficult. But definitely sure they've got the upper hand. The squad identity, the way they score is always the same. Erasmus, you see his goals.
Absolutely.
Beautiful goal. Whether you're not playing how many months, how many games, but quality is there. It's Sundowns, it's a matter of change personality, philosophy, it's the same. And players that came in credit before ngizophendula lelo yakho. Came is one of the best goal, especially with the tournament. For me, Sundowns I see them playing final. Bazoyak final. But winning the trophy in Kelumbuze before the final. I will tell you the truth, but I see them in Ahly, I see them going to the final. For me, mina ngibona bazodlala the final.
Do you remember Raja Casablanca, how they defeated Orlando Pirates? We quarterfinal, the Confederations Cup.
Yeah.
And they won the Confed Cup. Now, they are very strong this season.
It's Sundowns.
Raja Casablanca. I'm just mentioning some of the options. Raja with that Casablanca. Ahly to this year, Ahly, I don't know how they're going to get to the
they've
final.
got a clever coach.
I think, maybe experienced coach.
But the squad,
otherwise, in terms of Uklala, I don't know
but when I watched them, they came by winning the later one.
Yeah, they beat Merreikh this team.
Yeah, but what I love, it was similar like this. In home, Merreikh.
Yeah.
But you look at the intensity, the way it was different. Less Sundowns than it was a mindset. Equality, I see, wow. But yes, there is some of the players, Maraksile, Alakhlioyazi, but the coach is so smart. He can take out the best out of these players. And in Sundowns, he put a squad now.
Right.
And in Kulegomina, in Kelumbuza before the but Alakli and Sundowns for me, they are the team that will play the final. Right, in 2 days before the final, I will tell you exactly what's going to happen.
There you go. Keep an eye on Zamalek. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting.